Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, Destiny has $595 with her. She gives 3/5 of this to her sister. Out of the remaining money, she gives $68 to her brother. She now has what fraction of the original amount left with her? Let the amount of money left with Destiny is X dollar. Okay. Now from given 3/5 of her total amount, she was given to her sister. Okay. So now her sister has 3/5 of $595. It means $357. And her brother has $68. Now, from given, the total of this X plus 68 plus 357 is 595. So, after calculating this, we will get X equals to 170. Hence, the fraction of original amount is left with Destiny is 170 by 595. It means 2 by 7.